What's up, y'all? How's it going? We're back at it again today. I'm gonna try to head back to this new spot I found last month. We had a whole bunch of crappie on it. I have no idea if it's gonna be like this today. It's pretty cold today. It's in the 40s. Trying to gather up some fish for a ski trip. Me and my brothers and dad and some family and friends are going on a ski trip. Hopefully I catch enough crappie we can eat some fish in Colorado. But anyways, that's the goal. Pulling up here to the river now. It's too windy to go to the lake today. It's getting that time in Oklahoma, and spring is coming. It's gonna be windy for the next 3 months here. But anyways, I'm gonna try to go tuck away from the wind, find some places I can actually fish. Gonna load the boat in the water and get everything going. Okay, we're gonna start with this little hand tie jig today. It's a blackhead with the cream or white colored Chanel body. And then we got the gadwall feathers on the tail. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna tie it on. I got it probably about a foot above a little size 3 split shot. All right, we made it out here. It's pretty freaking cold. It's a little bit chilly out here today. I am gonna, hopefully, I'm seeing a few fish. I don't know if any of them are crappie quite yet, but like I said, hopefully I can find a few crappie. Got off the phone with my dad. He's like, you gotta bring some crappie back. We gotta get some crappie. I'm like, all right, I'll try. So anyways, let's see if I can find something and catch a few fish. Finally, I got a fish. Little bitty guy. I think I'm gonna throw you back for good graces, little buddy, but yeah, I finally got a keeper here. Oh no. Come in the boat, buddy. Slab, dude. Took a long time. That took an hour. That's a quality crappie, man. Finally got me a nice keeper crappie, man. Gosh. Took forever. Now I hope we can catch a few more. I've been trying to reel it past them. I've been trying to dead stick them, but I guess it's just you got to find the right one that's wanting to bite. Go get it. Come on now. Oh yeah, good one. Nice crappie. Ooh, 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 get in the boat, get in the boat. Oh yeah. Nice, that's a really good fish too. Another great fish. Oh yeah. They're slow, but we're getting to them little by little. I'm kind of just having to scan through multiple fish and find one that's willing to bite, like honestly. I see lots of fish, but almost none of them, they're like running from the bait. Not like when it splashes or not, just when it gets in their vicinity, they just take off and like get away from it. So having to filter through lots of fish and find, you know, the 1 or 2 out of 20 that are biting. So that's taking a long time, but anyways, at least I'm catching a couple. It's a lot of fun. I love catching a few fish here and there. There we go. Finally. That might not be a crappie. Oh, it's a big crappie. Golly, I had to fight with that guy to get him to bite. Look at that. Really, really nice fish. That's nearing a 2-pounder. I don't have my scale, but that's gonna be in the ballpark of a 2-pounder. I'm not saying he's well over 2 pounds or anything like that, but he's probably 1.8 or 1.9 if I had to guess. That's definitely getting, I gotta get my scale fixed or get a new scale. That's getting close to a 2-pound crappie right there. That's a pretty good one. Fish number 4. Got him. It's a good one. Oh yeah, slab. Come on over here. Yeah. Really nice fish. Another solid 1.5 pounder right there. They are really, really slow today. I'm not just exactly tearing them up, but little by little I'm getting some. The sun's finally come out a little bit, it's starting to warm up a tad. Maybe they'll start biting a little more. Oh yeah. Got a good one there. Come over here. That's a great one. Yes. Look at this fish right here on this camera. Yes, sir. Really, really good eater fish. They're seem to be getting a little bit more active now that the sun's coming up and it's warming up a little. It was cold this morning. Good fish right there. He's on it. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Bite it. It's a big slab too. Oh, he nibbled it. All right, I'm gonna try to get this on video. All my GoPro batteries are dead and everything's just kind of not working in my favor right now. Come on, baby, hit it. Oh yeah. It's a slab here. This is the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a monster right there. It's a great big one. Come here, buddy. I'm telling you, these are close to 2-pound crappie. That right there is a very, very beautiful crappie. That's a big crappie right there. It's probably 6 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 crappie. I went up the river a ways and I got out of the shad, got out all the fish, and I started seeing like spoonbills and gar. So came back down here and it seems like they've kind of turned back on. I went a long time without catching any fish. I see a lot more fish over this way. Anyways, see if I can catch a few more. See, I'll put it out on 50 feet and scan around till I see this is a good dot, but this is a better dot. Right about there, and it's 40 feet away. So I'm gonna head right at it, it's that way. And as I get closer, I'm gonna bring in, I'm at 45 feet, now I'm at 40 feet. Coming in closer to that fish, and eventually I usually fish about 35 feet. Or 30 feet, just depends. The dot right there, hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna ease at him, get ready right now. All right, it's at 12 feet. You can get it right down on top of him. Oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Get it, what are you doing? Man, he checked it out and ran into it. Oh, here he comes back. Oh, it's crazy. Did everything but hit it. Oh yeah. Got a good one there. Shoot, that's a slob. That is a slob. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh yeah. Giant. That one's on the cusp of 2. He's 1.5 at least. I would say 1.8 actually. That's a great crappie right there. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, little guy, but he came at it hard. He's bigger than he looked bigger in the graph than he really is. I'm gonna let him go. He ain't very big. That's promising. That means they're getting aggressive. He came at it fast. Let's go find a big one. All right, here we go. Got me a couple good ones located right here. Hopefully I can get it. Go get it, go get it. Oh yeah. Nice fish, nice fish. Nice fish, very nice fish. Yes sir. Another nice fish. Beautiful eater. It's awesome. I saw another one in here, but I probably lost him. I probably blew off. Oh, there he is. Another good one right there. Might be more than one actually. Come on, get it, fish. What happened? What happened? You come after it and then you quit. Oh yeah, good one. Slob. Look at that, beautiful fish. We kind of went from not having that much luck to kind of tearing them up a little bit. I'm always cool with that. It's a lot of fun when we start tearing them up. See if we can find another one. I got it on 50 right now and I'm just scanning to the left. I don't see anything now to the right. I just kind of scan around until I see what I think might be a fish. Ooh, there's something. Something to the right over here. See the angle's pointing to the right? It's right there, 30 feet away. It's a decent fish for sure. Only problem is I'm going with the wind now. I gotta be slow. Come on, baby, get it. Didn't even look at it. Didn't even look at it. That's crazy, dude. It's a big fish. Put it right on it and it's doing something. It's kind of making some movement. I don't know what it's doing, but it's not interesting. Move down the river a little way, see if we can find a few more new fish. Right off the rip, found one that looks like a big, nice crappie. Oh yeah, he bit it finally. What in the world? I just had to strike it. It's like they're not seeing it. And then when they do see it, they smack it. That's another good fish. It's crazy, I can't figure these things out today. I mean, I've caught them, but it's just been, every one of them's been different, pretty much. Oh, don't go, no, don't do that, don't do that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and throw him back. He's probably big enough to keep, but I have quite a few fish. I'm only gonna try to keep the good ones from here on. That's a good fish though. He's probably a keeper. I don't know if I mentioned it a while ago, but I switched away from the hair jig. I couldn't get a single bite on the hair jig, so got these switch to the blue eye. Unfortunately, the technical difficulties didn't stop at the dead batteries. I got a new Canon camera here recently, and I've been trying to use it to record the cooking portions of my videos. And on this particular day, for some reason, it was recording in slow motion. I had no idea and didn't have any audio. So I recorded the entire evening and all the taste tests and all the talking and hanging out in slow motion. So really botched this one up. That's 100% on me. I'm still trying to learn and get better at this video making stuff, and this was a learning experience for me. This will never happen again, probably. I learned from this one, but anyways, I still wanted to make the video because this is a really fun trip for all of us. We once a year we go to Colorado and take a boys trip with some friends and family, and we go skiing and cook out in the cabin, just have a really good time, and we all look forward to this. So like I said, I still wanted to make the video, even though it didn't come out perfect. It still was a fun memory. Anyways, that's probably it for this one. If you don't mind, just leave a comment and a like and do all that stuff. It really helps drive the video and helps the channel grow, and I would appreciate it tremendously. But I hope you all enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one.